10 amazing health benefits of pears you need to know. The fragrant and sweet fruits of the pear tree are undoubtedly one of the most beneficial and healthy fruits, not to mention common. The amount of vitamins and mineral salts contained in the peel of pears is twice as much as in its soft part. Pears can charge us with energy throughout the day and contain beneficial substances such as arbutin and flavonoids. Welcome to Superfoods and this video on 10 amazing health benefits of pears you need to know. We put out informative videos about food and health and look forward to you subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments too. Please remember to turn notifications on for more healthy lifestyle content such as today's video. Consult your doctor or nutritionist on the quantities best suited to you. Let's take a look at the health benefits of pears. Improve respiratory system. Pears can be used against respiratory diseases caused by common colds and flu. For example, when mucus appears in the lungs or shortness of breath occurs, pear nectar can lubricate the throat and reduce mucus. In this case, pears help because they contain the antioxidant glutathione, which increases lung immunity and helps prevent infections by regulating the accumulation of mucus. Have antibacterial effects. Thanks to the tannins and caffeic acid contained in pears, they protect the body from various infections and diseases. The high polyphenol contents of the pear exhibit antibacterial properties, which can destroy and reduce the growth of bacteria. Have antioxidant properties. Pears have antioxidant properties and protect the body from free radicals. Free radicals are those harmful substances that attack cells, causing them to age and destroy themselves. The polyphenols in the fruit can protect against free radicals and oxidative stress. Fruits rich in antioxidants are also considered to protect the cells and body from aging, which means that the pears have also anti-aging properties. Another powerful antioxidant in the pear is the high content of chlorogenic acids. Support cardiovascular system. Pears can regulate blood circulation and prevent heart attacks. They contain a satisfactory amount of fiber, which can eliminate bile salts and reduce bad cholesterol. A continuous study on the effects of pears and apples have shown that eating one pear a day reduces the chance of a heart attack by half. From the same research, results showed that people who consumed white fruits, such as pears, had a 52% lower chance of stroke. As for the minerals in pears, the fruit is rich in potassium. Potassium is needed to maintain normal heart function, as well as to regulate the functions of nerves and muscles. Introducing potassium in the fetus during pregnancy has a beneficial effect on the heartbeat. The flavonoids in pears contribute to improving cardiovascular health. The fruit is also rich in phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and extremely high in potassium, which makes the pear suitable for the prevention of high blood pressure and osteoporosis. One regular pear, 178 grams, contains 12.5 milligrams of magnesium, 212 milligrams of potassium, and 16 milligrams of calcium. Protect against cancer. The high content of antioxidants and vitamin C, fiber, and folic acid makes the pear an ideal fruit that supports cells and protects the body from various serious diseases, including cancer. Many studies have noted how pears help remove carcinogenic chemicals that accumulate in the colon. They act as excellent mediators during menopause, protecting women from developing ovarian and breast cancer. Pears can also prevent the formation of esophageal cancer and, in particular, ESCC, as evidenced by a large-scale study by the American National Institutes of Health and the American Pensioners Association, which involved nearly 500,000 people. Regulate digestive health. Due to their high fiber content and detoxifying properties, pears are an excellent means of maintaining good health and activating the intestines. They can also improve microflora in the body. The pectin in pears contains beneficial effects on digestion and reduces bloating and gas. The combination of cellulose, pectin, bactericidal substances and enzymes can clean the digestive system. It also contains another important element, arbutin, which can prevent various diseases of the kidneys and bladder. The fruits of the pear are also known to stimulate the work of the endocrine glands and the digestive tract. One regular pear, 178 grams, contains 6 grams of fiber, or 22% of the recommended daily intake. Reduces the risk of diabetes. We know that the consumption of fruits and vegetables is generally beneficial in the fight against diabetes, but among all types, pears and apples are those that have the strongest effect in reducing the risk. Despite its sweetness, pears can be used in prophylactic regimens against type 2 diabetes, mainly because of the content of 3 groups of flavonoids, which can improve the sensitivity of cells to insulin. Natural use in cosmetics. For years, pears have been used in the making of natural skin cosmetics. The many vitamins in the fruit can improve skin smoothness and elasticity. Vitamin C supports the collagen production and structure of the skin, reducing the effects that aging has on the skin. One regular pear, 178 grams, contains 7.5 grams of vitamin C. Nutritious baby food. It is no coincidence that the pear is recommended to be one of the first solid foods that infants are fed. It is one of the fruits that are easiest to digest and least sour for the developing taste buds in babies. Pears are also hypoallergenic and provide nutrients that are beneficial for the early development of babies. Can boost the immune system. Rich in vitamins A, B, C, E and beta-carotene, as well as the macronutrients iron, potassium, calcium, magnesium and manganese, pears prove to be an excellent food supplement to start the day and give a boost to your immune system. Pears are a real treasure with their refreshing and medicinal properties. Being an excellent source of water, fiber, vitamins and minerals, they are ideal for every member of the family, from the youngest to the oldest. We remind you to consult a nutritionist or doctor when using anything new in your diet. This is Superfoods, and we thank you for watching our video on 10 amazing health benefits of pears you need to know. And also, invite you to subscribe to our channel and share your experience with pears in the comments below. If you'd like to learn more about other amazing superfoods, make sure to browse our Superfoods channel for some amazing ideas on healthy lifestyle. Like if you enjoyed it, share with friends and subscribe for more healthy content. Thanks for watching.